Our experience with food and food-related buildings is what made the difference in this transaction. We had a beautiful building, brand new. It was built specifically for an existing tenant. The way that the space was built out was specifically for their usage. Prospects are coming to look at it and they need to put a few $1 million into the building on a brand new building. This process was about finding the right purchaser who could use the building with the existing installations and minimal work. That took time to find. We identified all of the food companies in the market, and in going through those food companies, we found the ideal user. The initial offers that came in were low, and where we transacted at in the end was about $2 million higher than the best offers we had. I think our client saw that we were patient, that we gave them the right information so that they could make educated choices when it was hard to decide, should we wait for the right buyer at the right time? Because we have all this knowledge and this experience in food and food-related buildings, we were able to understand those fine details with regards to value, and we found the perfect buyer for the building.